I want to ask you, in these recent days, in the recent hours, everyone's a bit in shock, everyone in the press. So my question is this: when you got back from Ibiza, you came to Barcelona and you thought everything was going to be okay. You thought you were going to renew your contract with Barca. And then what happened? What's your version of all this? Yeah, this is what Laporta said. Right up until the last minute, because everything with the league, it suddenly couldn't happen. There's nothing more to tell. And anything else I can't say.
Hola, Leo, aquí a la dreta, Joan Fitó de Catalunya Ràdio en directe al Tot Costa. A mi m'agradaria saber, l'altre dia el president Laporta va dir...
I'd like to know... Laporta said the other day that the club's above everything, but recently Barca have shown that everything is for you. What are your thoughts on this? I don't know. What's clear is that I did everything possible. The club, Laporta, they couldn't do it because of La Liga. But I've heard a lot of things that have said about me that I didn't want to continue, but on my behalf as well, we did everything we could because I wanted to stay. Last year, I didn't want to stay, and I said it. And this year, I wanted to stay, and I couldn't. Congratulations on your career. Good luck for wherever you're going. I want to ask you about that. Paris Saint-Germain is the name that's come up most of everything. Where are you going? Where are you going to play next season? Well, that's honestly one possibility to reach those heights. At the minute, I've got nothing confirmed with anybody. Honestly, when the press release was published, I had a lot of calls, a lot of clubs that are interested. At the minute, I've not got anything closed, but we're talking about a lot of things.
Well, thank you very much for watching ESPN on YouTube. For more sports highlights and analysis, be sure to download the ESPN app. And for live streaming, premium content, and let's not forget as well, ESPN FC 7 days a week. Subscribe to ESPN Plus.